I didn't take off no clothes or nothing, so I don't deserve this. I didn't take out no clothes. Who threw this? How be it? Hey, that song was too explicit for tonight's show. I gotta keep it RTTR and get y'all something smooth. Something that will change up the room, I hope. This song right here. This song right here. It's for those two couple that took away their life on Facebook. I know y'all got Facebook. Check me out. They eat medicine and die. Rest in peace to them. Just for y'all. This is just to show you awareness. It's not for you to go and do it, okay? Don't go do this. Yeah. I cannot sing, but my heart is singing for you. Shout out to my girl Jennifer. She's not here, of course. I don't like to step on money, so you know, money's. So, who is it? Who is it? I don't want to give to the wrong people. Okay, party at my house later. Then that birthday goes to the fun. All right, check it. This song right here, like I was telling the crowd during my check, when I was recording this in a booth, it made me feel some type of way. So hopefully you guys understand that it's coming from other people's voices. That's what I'm trying to do, is help talk for you if you need me to. At the same time, I like to have fun too. So where we kicking at though? Okay.
Vì lo lúc là có cụ chỉ sắp biệt. Sao có một ý lúc là một ước của đàn nên biệt. Vì sao một chỉ giàu biết được luật dữ thích đâu là tiền. Ô móc của lúc chết chuột tuột. Sao bóp bạc ở trên một xiết. Sẽ đại chuột được những về kia. Thảo toàn được có cụ tên chuột. Mình sẽ do chỉ là tỏ. Thu qua cụ bụi. Chỉ ư nông mong lời đây liệt. Chỉ ư nông ai lời đây xiết. Là sao dư trên kia là nhé. Không để chút.
Sightless. Hey guys, my next song right here, it's just gonna play on, but it's by my boy Vanessa. Shout out to my boy Vanessa. If you guys heard the song before, it goes sound like this.